Today's Lunch and Learn topic is all about groups inside of Outlook. What are groups and why do I need them? If you ever need a contact group for emails and you're tired of typing in all those names, you might need a group. If you've got a team but you want to keep someone who's outside the team in the loop on files and conversations, you might want to have a group. And if you want to document all the emails and files on a particular project in one place, then a group is the answer for you. Something you might want to know about groups are that they can stand alone as a set of email addresses in Outlook. Every time you create a team, it automatically creates a group, but you don't have to have a team in order to have a group. If you create a to-do list in Outlook, that automatically creates a group as well. Group emails and files that are created can be stored inside of a OneNote directly. You can create the OneNote directly from the group and everything will go in there. Groups are really easy to edit, forward, and delete when you're done with them. So how do we create a contact group? Here's a quick shortcut for you. You go to Class Link, to Office 365, choose Outlook, and then scroll down the left side to Add New Group, and then add the email addresses. So I'm going to demonstrate that for you now. Here I am inside of my Outlook, and on the left side, below all of my folders, you'll see the word Groups. And this shows all of the groups that I currently have. I do have some more hidden behind this button. And all I need to do is start a new group here. I click on the button New Group. I give the group a name, Test Bears. It's always a good idea to give the group your name in it because people all across the district are creating groups. Notice if I write Test Bears, the name of my group is going to be EMP space Test Bears. I can give this group a description at this time, test group, and then I can look at my settings. There are two kinds of groups that you can have. A private group where only the approved members can see what's inside, or you could do a public group where anyone in your organization can see what's inside and apply to be a member of the group. There are more settings, such as what language would your group like to have their notifications in. And when you're done with that, you just hit Create. Once you've created the group, your global contact list will come up and you can start adding names in here. If you need to type in an email from someone who is not in your global address list, you just need to type the entire email in and then click on the bar that comes up. That adds another person and adds them as a guest. They will have limited access to group resources, but they can participate in the conversations. Then click the word Add. Every time you create a group, the people who are in that group will get a message that they've been added to a group. And here it is. Test Bears is now a group. Now let's look at how to forward a contact group. I'm going to go into my Office 365 ADFS version, and now I'm going to go down on the left side into my group area. Here I've created a group that I'd like to share with another person. So if I click on the group itself, then it brings up the group here, and I can right-click on the group and it brings up the option to forward. In the ADFS version, we are actually looking for the word forward. So I'll click on the word forward and I will put the name of the person that I want to forward it to. Once I've got it in there, then I'm just going to send the group. The last task today is how to add or remove members from a contact group. I click on New Message. There it is. Or I can come down and choose all groups. Alternatively, I can just type the list into the to box and then click on the name itself, and it will take me into the group. When I click on members, I can see who's currently in the group, and there are some little X's on the right hand side. If I want to click on that, I can remove someone from the group. And if I want to add someone, there's another button right here that says Add Members. At the top of the page, there are 3 dots next to the Send Email button, where you can add members and invite others to your group or edit the group itself. Clicking on that is going to give you a chance to either change the name, the description, the privacy settings, the language, and then this button, Let People Outside the Organization Email the Group. The button down here allows you to delete the group entirely. You've been watching All About Groups in Outlook. Thanks for watching Tech Time with Liz Bears.